We camp here on the way to Broome. We've still got 4 nights to go because we crossed that Fitzroy River Bridge early.
Put them in the bucket.
Oh, Gus is looking. Oh, yes, thank you, Watto. Show me them. Oh, yeah, you have.
Something.
Yeah, you have. You got a big one as well.
I win again.
Oh, he's got a big one too. Is it as big as Watto's, you reckon?
Scales,
Who's got the biggest? Who's got the biggest one? I think it's only one, is it? Oh no, you did get 2. Oh no, I think Watto's could be bigger. Hey, which one's bigger? Which one? I think Watto's done it. Oh, I'll tell you what, they're
just
cherabin that
live
Jeff
bait.
caught in the traps before.
Stick him out.
Hopefully we'll catch something big. A barramundi.
Turn him into a barra.
What'd you get?
These, I think, have got
What is it? A little catfish thing?
Yeah.
You want something to grab him by the mouth?
No, I'm just going to leave him on that hook.
And leave him on that hook.
Until I get him on another hook.
Okay.
You little catfish.
Maybe something just had a little nibble.
And Mr. and Mrs. Watman, what do you think of this camp we're at the moment?
Yeah, fellowship's
Huh?
pretty good.
And what do you think,
it's
Miss
lovely
Watman?
and quiet. It's nice to be bush camping on our own again, which is lovely.
Yes, because the last few nights we've had tourists up our bum.
Oh, how many bands in that park the last few nights. It is lovely to be on a beautiful river, just on our own.
The only thing we are a little bit concerned about is there could be crocodiles out there. There's Angus, the crocodile bait, hanging near the water. Yay! Woohoo! Awesome!
Caught a rat. Me first.
What is it?
Oh, they fucking cool water.
Is it a barra?
I think it is.
Is it a barramundi or a brim?
I think it's a barra.
Wow, no, Angus!
Yeah.
Actually managed to catch you, sort of bringing it in. Oh wow, so that's a barra. It looks like a brim.
It's got that sloping nose.
Sort of different nose on it, is it? Okay.
Catching them on to.
That's catfish.
Oh, right.
Is this another barra?
Yeah. Only little chaps.
Call them rats, I think, for some reason.
Rats. Yeah, there's two barras now. Oh, it's a bigger one. Angus! Angus! Gus! Come out of the way. Good size.
Colour of that chap.
Is it the same one, a barramundi?
No.
What's this one then?
I don't know.
Hold him up, darling.
We have live action.
Mr. Watman may be catching a fish.
He's just a turtle, man.
Maybe not.
Oh, yes.
Yeah.
Yep. Barra? Barra. Oh, Jesus, look at that.
Started to feel a little homesick last night. We've been gone for a month. We've done so much, been having such a wonderful time, but I'm missing seeing Bubba, my little Miles and the girls. We do talk to them regularly, but you can't hug through, even though you can see them, you can't hug them. We have stopped at this lovely spot by the river. Jeff's loving it. This is his type of camp. I'm sitting in the caravan. Directly across the river there is a crocodile. It's about 6 feet. It's a freshwater crocodile. We were wondering if there are any here, and we now know there definitely is. We've seen our first croc since we've been away in the wild.